So, ano sasabihin nyo kay Manito?
Thanks for all the fish.
Thank you for making me laugh when Ate drowned.
Thank you for making me accept I was gonna get you.
Ano to? May number? Ano to?
Wala, ano yan? Nagsuswim sila, oh.
Meron pa na dyan ano.
I wanna go swim.
Dito pala masarap ang palipad ng drone.
Oh,
Hey, got a Congo in my hand. Whoa.
is it you? Is it you or is it me?
I'm shaking.
Kaya pala wala nadaan dito. Oo na.
I saw
Nasubukan ng ano lang. Di Max.
This is one thing Max can't handle.
Ano ko? This is ano.
Guys, watch
Easy.
us roll down like Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty saw the wall, then he broke his
May for sale, oh. Bahay.
Ano, bibili natin?
Pwede na natin to. Okay kayo dito, mga anak? Ha?
Nope. I like it's a pocket level.
Lira. Tagal nating nakapunta rito mga anak.
Mommy made it harder by saying the beach, the salty water, when she could have said the Dead Sea.
Wala. 50,000 na pala to, babe. 55,000. Ano, what truth?
In 100 meters, turn right on 1st Street West, then take the second.
My name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the
Ano lugar
leaves
to?
on the trees and the
Wala lang.
touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense
Ganda
of
na, naman.
happiness for me.
Yung naman yung kalokohan ng mga. Dapat wala.
Can you open the door? And then he's like, I can't. And then I'm like, I can't too.
Kindersley, Saskatchewan.
Ano? Winash to.
Dalawang oras na lang. Nakabili sa DQ. At ang babae na rin ay ano, nag-drive ng banana split daw. Sarap?
Si Margarine.
Ew. Baby ko.
The first right. Turn right at the traffic light.
Okay.
Continue 202 kilometers on Highway 7.